Waste is everywhere around us, starting from inventory cost to scrap parts. To outperform your competition, you need to identify and eliminate that waste. By making best of what you have and implementing lean practices, you can drive change. Remember, you can only improve what you can measure.
When funding dries up, there is no room for error. On-time delivery and reliable logistics are key to avoid shortages caused by late orders.
Inventory management and machine monitoring will make a huge difference. An improvement program will help you to take full advantage of these solutions.
Staying ahead of the competition means keeping customers happy. A missed delivery or poor part quality is a broken promise.
The Seco Manufacturing Transformation team has everything you need to jumpstart your operations.
Starting from a complete manufacturing evaluation, we offer access to training programs and digital solutions built around your needs.